Good morning, students. Now, this is the second topic of the matrix, and yesterday I discussed type of matrix, right? And two matrices are equal, then corresponding elements are equal. But today now discuss the construct the matrix. Suppose, for example, now find the construct of matrix of 2 into 2 order, and now Aij equals to, now given is Aij equals to I plus j whole square upon 2. This one is I, that is the denoted notation of a number of row, and j is a number of column, right? And now find construct 2 into 2 order matrix. So 2 into 2 order matrix, that means there are 4 elements. That means 2 row and 2 column. A11, A12, A21 and A22. There are 4 elements. Now first thing, now find A11. A11, that means I is 1 and J is also 1. First number is the number of row and second is the number of column. Now substitute I is 1 and J is 1, square as it is upon 2 as it is. Condition is given. Then is the value of A11, 1 plus 1, 2, square of 2 is 4. And 4 upon 2, that is 2. What are the value of A12? That means I is 1, J is 2, square as it is upon 2. 2 plus 1 is a 3, is a square of 3 is a 9. That is a 9 upon 2 is the value of A12. Then find A21. Then I is 2 and J is 1. Then 2 plus 1 whole square upon 2. That means 2 plus 1 is a 3, square of 3 is again 9 by 2. And now the last value A22, then 2 plus 2 whole square upon 2. That is a 2 plus 2 is a 4, and square of 4 is a 16, and 16 upon 2, that is the value of 8. But now answer in matrix form. Now substitute the value of A11 is 2, write A12 is 9 by 2, A21 is also 9 by 2 and A22 is 8. Any matrix, कोई भी मैट्रिक्स बनाना हो, राइट, किसी भी ऑर्डर का हो, that is depend. Suppose 3 into 2 order, that means 3 to 6 element, then 3 row and 2 columns. Is there another question? If the matrix has 24 elements, suppose 1 mark में question आता है, if a matrix has 24 elements, and what are the possible order it can have? अगर आपके पास 24 elements है, right, तो उसको कितने ऑर्डर पॉसिबल हो सकते हैं? दैन 24 एलिमेंट्स, जितने 24 के फैक्टर, 24 इंटू 1, 1 इंटू 24, 12 इंटू 2, 2 इंटू 12, 6 इंटू 4, राइट, 4 इंटू 6, 8 into 3, 3 into 8. These are possible order, right? Suppose 13 elements, so then possible is only 2 matrix, 13 into 1 and 1 into 13. जितने factor possible होंगे उतने element. Now yesterday I have discussed कि sum of 2 matrix, difference of 2 matrix, but now today I have discussed product of 2 matrix. Student, 2 matrix को multiply कैसे किया? For example, A matrix are given, B matrix are given, right? A matrix 2, 4, 3, 2. For example, A matrix are given, B matrix are given, and C matrix are given. And find the value of AB, BC and C. Now look here students, this is a very very important product of 2 matrix. 2 मैट्रिक्स को मल्टीप्लाई जब भी करना, ऐड करते हैं, सब्ट्रैक्ट किया कि कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट ऐड, कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट सब्ट्रैक्ट होते हैं. बट नाउ 2 मैट्रिक्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना हो, फॉर एग्जांपल A इज गिवन 2 into 2 ऑर्डर मैट्रिक्स 2, 4, 3, 2. B मैट्रिक्स आर गिवन 1, 3, -2 and 5. And C मैट्रिक्स आर गिवन -2, 5, 3 and 4. Find the value of AB. Now the first part, find the value of AB. right? A is a given matrix 2 into 2 order, B is also 2 into 2 order matrix, and C is also 2 into 2 order. Then 2 row and 2 column. That is order of matrix. Now find the value of AB. When A matrix is 2, 4, 3, 2. B matrix is 1, 3, minus 2 and 5. And find the value of AB. दो मैट्रिक्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना हो, दिस मैट्रिक्स इज अ 2 into 2 order, second matrix is also 2 into 2 order. So what are the order of AB matrix? That is the first number of row and second is number of column. That means आपका AB मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर 2 into 2 होगा हुआ. अब 2 into 2 ऑर्डर मैट्रिक्स का ये सिस्टम होता है A11, A12, A21 और A22. There are 4 elements. A11 का मतलब फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, A12 that is the first row second column, A21 second row first column and A22 second row second column. First thing find A11, that is the multiply of two first row first column, second first row second column. Now first row first column, now multiplied by first element to first element, multiply second to second element. That is the 2 ones are 2, right, and 4 twos are 8. Man, first को first से multiply, second to second multiply and now add. So that is the first row first column. Now first row second column, A12 first row second column, that is a 2 into 3 and 4 into 5. Then 2 into 3 6 and 4 into 5 20. 6 plus 20, that is a 26 as a result. Now second A21, that is the second row first column, right? Then 3 into 1 and 2 into minus 2, that is a 3 minus 4. And second row second column, that is a 3 3s are 9 and 5 2s are 10. So what are the value of AB matrix? Then result of AB matrix is 2 minus 8 minus 6, 6 plus 20 26, 3 minus 4 minus 1 and 10 plus 9 90. This is the value of AB matrix. सम ऑफ टू मैट्रिक्स में अगर a प्लस बी की वैल्यू फाइंड करो तो दैट इज इक्वल टू b प्लस c. दैट मीन्स कॉम्यूटेटिव लॉ विल बी अप्लाइड. बट नाउ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू मैट्रिक्स ए बी इज गिवन. नाउ क्या ए बी क्या बी के इक्वल हो सकता है? नाउ चेक, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ बी वेयर बी मैट्रिक्स इज अ 1, 3, minus 2 and 5 and A matrix is 2, 4, 3. It's again two matrix multiply. Then is the first row first column, first row second column, फिर second row first column, second row. सबसे पहले first matrix की first row को हमें दोनों column से multiply करना है. That means first row first column, 2 ones are 2 and 3 3s are 9. That is a 2 plus 9. First row first column. First row second column, that is the 1 into 4 and 3 into 6. That is a 4 plus. And now second row first column, right? Second row second column, second row first column, that is a minus 4 plus 15. And second row second column, that is a minus 8, right, plus 10. So स्टूडेंट कभी भी दो मैट्रिक्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना हो, सबसे पहले फर्स्ट रो को फर्स्ट कॉलम से, फर्स्ट एलिमेंट से मल्टीप्लाई, सेकंड टू सेकंड, देन 2 plus 9, that is 11. That is the result of first element A11. Result of A12 first to second column, 4 plus 6, that is 10. Second row first column, that is a minus 4 plus 15, that is 11. And second row second column, that is a minus 8 plus 10, that is 2. Now so check, then AB is not equals to B. That means commutative law will not applied. Okay. Now same thing, supposedly question कि given A matrix is A and B matrix is also given. A matrix is a 1, 2, 3 and B matrix is a 2, 3, 4. And now A matrix, first thing, what are the value of AB? First thing, what are the order of first matrix? Order of matrix A is a 1, 2, 3 row and 1 column, that is a 3 into 1. But second matrix, what are the order of second matrix? Row 1 into 3 column. That means इसका मतलब आने वाला जो मैट्रिक्स होगा ए बी, उसका ऑर्डर क्या होगा, दैट इज द फर्स्ट का नंबर ऑफ रो एंड सेकेंड का नंबर ऑफ कॉलम। दैट मीन्स आने वाला मैट्रिक्स दैट इज अ 3 into 3 ऑर्डर, यानी कि दैट इज द फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम दैट इज अ 1 into 2, दैट इज ओनली 2, फर्स्ट रो सेकेंड कॉलम दैट इज 3, फर्स्ट रो थर्ड कॉलम दैट इज 4. But now second row first column that is a 2 2s are 4, second row second column 2 3s are 6, and second row third column 2 4s are 8. Third row first column that is 6, 9 and 12. So this is the value of AB. तो कोई भी दो मैट्रिक्स को आप मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो, बट इज डिपेंड ऑन ऑर्डर. एक्सरसाइज 3.2 देयर आर 9 question are totally 9 to 10 question are depend on sum of two matrix, difference of two matrix, product of two matrix. So please solve. Thank you.